In this video, I'll show you how to add authentication in Firebase Studio. First, sign into Firebase Studio and open the project where you want to add user authentication. Next, open the AI chat or project assistant and ask it to add authentication to your app. Specify the sign-in methods you want to use, such as email and password, Google, or GitHub. Firebase Studio will generate the required authentication flow for your project. After that, review the generated login, sign up, and password reset screens. If needed, ask the AI to customize the design or add additional authentication features to match your application's requirements. Now, deploy or preview your app and test the authentication flow. Create a test account, sign in, sign out, and verify that users are redirected to the correct pages after logging in. Finally, save your changes and publish your application. Your Firebase Studio project will now include authentication, allowing users to securely create accounts and sign in. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add authentication in Firebase Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe